Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me, Cat S53, and now I'm gonna show you how to record calls on this device. So, to do it, you need to open the Play Store and find here Cube ACR. Find it, click install. Click open, next, grant. While using hello, okay, go it, hello. Go tagging, you can enable go tagging or you can not to enable it. I don't want to provide access to my location, for example. Click on the cross in the left top corner and great, now all your calls will be automatically recorded. So that's it, thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel and bye, see you.